Hello, anime lovers, this is Ria and you are watching Anime Load, where you get anime scenes, new anime, and anime release date. I am here with the release date of Summer Season Anime, How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom, Episode 8, but before the release date of Episode 8, please subscribe the channel, so that we will able to update you about new anime and release date. And one more thing, if you are from Singapore or from Philippines, then download any VPN, which give you options to select country, and then select Japan or India or any other country where the anime release. Now move on. How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom. How a Realist Hero Rebuilt the Kingdom, Episode 8, is going to release on date 23rd of August, 2021, Sunday JST, but in some countries it will release on date 24th August. Be in touch with us, because we will update you every info about this anime. But before going, please subscribe and press the bell icon, so that you will get new anime and its release date notification. Thanks,